Jai Ho student and good morning to all. This is your Pooja ma'am from SK Public CBSE School, Hukeri. It is your maths workbook. And students, already we have learned about the lesson tick tick tick. And also we have solved many problems in the exercise. Now we'll continue and we'll do the exercise again. Okay, children, open the page number 27 and write first of all you write the today's date. What is the today's date? 8, 10 and 2021. 2021. First you should mention the date. Understood, children? Yes. Now, already in the previous class we have learned about the time, how to solve the problems on the time, and how to write and how to say the time. You know, na children? Yes, very good. Now, today is a practice time. What? Today is a practice time. Practice makes man perfect. So, we'll practice the time again. Okay? Well, we'll go to the next question. Read and check. Write the time in two ways. One has been done for you. Already, they have solved one example. Now, again, you observe the clock here, children. You observe the clock and observe the minute hand and the hour hand. Okay. The minute hand is on number 9 and the hour hand in between 2 and 3. What they gave the time here? What's the time here now? The time is 2:45. The time is 2:45. How we will write this in the number? Yes, you can write this one as a 2:45. 2 hour 45 minutes. In the same way, we'll solve the next one. Okay, children? We'll go to the second one. That is, you observe the hands first. Observe the clock and the minute hand and hour hand. That you can see here how many minutes passed here. Total, the 50 minutes passed here. 50 minutes passed and the hour hand in between 12 and 1. The time is 10 minutes to 1. How much? The time is 10 minutes to 1. And you can write this one in the form of number, that is 12 hour 50 minutes. How much? 12 hour 50 minutes. Understood, children? I hope you understood this. We'll go to the next question. That is, again, you can write this one. So just observe the clock here. The hour hand on 7 and minute hand is on 2. So here how many minutes passed here? How many minutes? Yes. How many minutes? 10 minutes. 10 minutes passed now. So write it as 10 minutes past 7. How much? 10 minutes past 7. How we will write in the form of number? You can write this one as 7:10. 7:10. How we will read this one? 10 minutes past 7. 10 minutes past 7. Here 10 minutes past means how we will read this one? 10 minutes past 7. So write this one as a 7:10. We'll go to the next. Children, this D, E and F are homework for you. D, E, F are homework for you. Do it yourself. I hope you will do this one and you will send the photo to me. Okay, children, we'll go to the next question. That is, calculate the time. What they gave here? Calculate the time. Previous class already we have calculated the time from minutes to minutes, hour to minutes. Like that only they gave same. In the same manner again they gave the questions. 1 hour 50 minutes. 1 hour 50 minutes. In 1 hour how many minutes will be there? In 1 hour 60 minutes will be there. So 60 minutes plus 50 minutes. 60 minutes plus 50 minutes is equals to 110 minutes. Okay, we'll go to the next question, that is 3 hour 35 minutes, 2 hour 10 minutes. So you should write the answer in the minutes only. So convert this 3 hour and 2 hour in terms of minutes. 3 hours is equals to how much? 120 minutes. 120 minutes. Here 2 hour means, sorry, here 180 minutes, and here 120 minutes. Here 35 minutes, and here 10 minutes. How we will do this one? How we will solve? Here you can write 3 hour 35 minutes and 2 hour 10 minutes. How we will solve this one? So convert this in terms of the minute. 3 hour means in 1 hour how many minutes will be there? In 1 hour 60 minutes. So 3 into 6 is 60 is 180 minutes plus 35 minutes. 180 minutes plus 35 minutes, and here 2 hour means how many minutes? 120 plus 10 minutes. So add these numbers here now. Add these. 180 plus 35 is how much? How much? Here 180 minutes plus 35 minutes is equals to 215 minutes. Here 2 hours 10 minutes means 120 plus 10 minutes. Now add these numbers, children. 5 plus 0 is 5. 1 plus 3 is 4. And 2 plus 1 is 3. So total it is 345 minutes. 3 hour 35 minutes plus 2 hour 10 minutes is equals to how many minutes total? 345 minutes. So write the answer here now. 345 minutes. Now we'll go to the next question. 5 minutes 35 seconds. 5 minutes 35 seconds. So now what you do? Convert this minute in terms of the seconds. In terms of where? In terms of seconds. So 1 minute is equals to how many seconds? For 1 minute we have 60 seconds. For 1 minute we have 60 seconds. So for 5 minutes how many seconds? For 5 minutes now 60 into 5 is equals to 300 minutes. So add this number with now 35 seconds. 5, 0 plus 5 is 5, 0 plus 3 is 3, and 3 is as it is 3. So the answer is 335 seconds. So that write the answer here. 5 minutes 35 seconds can be written in the form of seconds is 335 seconds. Hope you understood, children. We'll go to the next question. 690 minutes. 690 minutes. What you do here now? 690 into 60. You will get the answer 41,400 seconds. 41,400 seconds. Now we'll go to the next question. That is 3 days 5 hours is equals to how many hours? So you convert this one in the hours first. 3 days is equals to how many hours? 3 days is equals to how many hours? In 1 day, tell me first. In 1 day how many hours will be there? In 1 day 24 hours will be there. So multiply there 24 into 3. You will get the answer, and add this 5 in that. So we'll get the answer that 77 hours. Understood, children? Okay, we'll go to the next question. 270 seconds. 270 seconds. You convert this in the form of 4 minutes, and 270 seconds. You convert this in the form of the minute and second. Before this, you have to solve this one. 270 divided by 60. Now 6 4s are how much? 240. So subtract this. 0 minus 0 is 0, 7 minus 4 is 3 and 2 minus 2 is 0. So what you got the answer here? 4 minutes 30 seconds. 4 minutes 30 seconds. Understood? Yes. We'll go to the next question. 2 hours 18 minutes minus 45 minutes. Again, you convert this in the minutes. 2 hours is equals to how many minutes? 2 hours is equals to 120 minutes. 120 plus 18 is how much? 120 plus 18 is equals to 238. So, 238 minus 45 is equals to how much? 93. Yes, we will go to the next question. 2 minutes 3 seconds minus 38 seconds is equals to dash seconds. That is, convert this 2 minutes in the form of the seconds now. 2 minutes is equals to how many seconds? For 1 minute 60 seconds. For 2 minutes 120 seconds. So 120 second plus 3 second, that is 123 second minus 38 is equals to 85 seconds. Understood? Okay, we'll go to the next question. 3.5 days means for 1 day we have 24 hours. For 3 days we have 72 hours and for half day we have a 12 hours. So 72 plus 12 we will get 84 hours. Okay, we'll go to the next question. 80 minutes is equals to dash hour and 20 minutes. As we did above, in the like that only we will solve this one. You do 80 divided by 60. 80 divided by 60. 80 divided by 60. 61s are 60. So subtract this. You will get 1 hour 20 minutes. 1 hour 20 minutes. Okay children, we will go to the next question, that is, read the following actions and tick the most appropriate time needed for each of them. So you have to write appropriate, not exact. Okay. Now we will go to the first question, that is 1 maths period. 1 maths period. For 1 maths period, how many minutes we need? For 1 minute, 15 minutes. Within 15 minutes, maths class will be finished? No. We need more time. 2 hours? No. Don't want that much hour. Now we want 30 minutes. To complete 1 maths period, we have a 30 minutes. We want 30 minutes. Understood? Okay. We'll go to the next question, that is brushing your teeth. Brushing your teeth. For 1 hour you will brush the teeth, then your teeth will go only. Okay, we'll brush our teeth for 2 minutes. Okay, understood? Now we'll go to the next, that is from one birthday to another. From one birthday to another. In 1 year you will celebrate so many times a birthday? No, na? For 1 birthday, for 1 year only you will celebrate 1 time. So, the answer is 1 year. So, the answer is 1 year. In per year, we will celebrate once a birthday. We will go to the next, that is summer vacations. Summer vacations. Summer vacations, the answer is 6 weeks. The answer is 6 weeks. So, tick here children, 6 weeks. Now, we will go to the next, counting 1 to 10. To count 1 to 10, how many minutes you want? 1 hour? No. 2 hours? No. How many hours we want? To count the numbers, quickly we can count na? So, the answer is 30 seconds. Within 30 seconds we can tell the numbers na? Yes. You can tell. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. We finished in 30 seconds. Yes or no children? Yes. Okay, we will go to the next. So, tick here 30 seconds. Now, we will go to the next. From one sunrise to another sunrise. From one sunrise to another sunrise. What is the answer? 24 hours. What is the answer? 24 hours. Watching a movie. Watching a movie. To watch a movie, how many minutes we want? It will finish in 3 minutes. The movie will finish in 3 minutes. No, the movie will finish in 3 hours. To finish the movie, it will take 3 hours. Okay. Okay children, you complete this 1, 2 and 3.